Check this out. Check 1, check 2, what you going to do? Your new business checklist. Why is having a business checklist important before starting a business? Just like your business plan, you have to organize your thoughts and get it down on paper. If you are going to be a new business owner, you will have to get used to creating checklists daily. Checklists are a great way to keep you on track and make sure you get everything done for your business. I never go to a grocery store without a checklist unless I have only a couple of items. Anything more than that, I need to make sure I don't forget to get what I came for. So, before you go to the checkout lane, check out this video so you won't forget anything you need to get your business started. Also, check out our free checklist. You can print it and use to start your new business. More details at the end. Well, let's start with researching your product or ideal. You plan on creating a business around your grandma's family favorite soup. You know this is a great product and will really sell, yet how will you sell it? Will you sell it online, or in the stores, or to local restaurants? Who has sold this type of product before? How do they sell it? These things are important before getting your business started. Hopefully, you've watched BizBox Basics video on creating a business plan. Now, we need to give this business a name. Something that matches the product or ideal, like Grandma's Good Grubs, or give it your grandmother's name. Then, you need to make sure the domain name is available. If it isn't, you may have to adjust the domain name to make sure your website matches your company's name. Now let's see, what about your legal structure? Will your business be LLC or sole proprietor? Make sure to get your federal employer identification number from the IRS. We have to make sure taxes are taken out correctly once we start selling Granny's wonderful soup. With food products, we have to obtain licenses permits, especially if we are cooking the soup out of your home. However, we can always find a co-packer or use a licensed kitchen to cook the soup out of. You see what I mean? We have to check a lot of things off. I am so glad we started this checklist, and don't forget our sales permit since we are selling soup. Oh yes, and we have to open a business banking account too. My gosh, our list is really growing. Come on, let's talk about branding the business. We need to get a logo for your soup business. A logo helps to brand the business. For instance, when you see the golden arches, you know that is McDonald's, and the shape and color of the logo will help to brand the business. Also, a trademark for the logo and brand will help protect your brand from being copied. Your grandmother's soup is very creamy and delicious. However, we have to get the visual through photos. Taking good photos, pictures of your soup, and placing it on your company's website and business cards is also a part of branding. Don't forget the branding statement like Grandma's Good Soup makes you happy with every scoop. You are really getting this checklist thing down pretty well. Social media for business is a must. You can grow your business these days without social media. There are so many social media platforms, and you can do most for both business and personal. Make sure your business social media is all business. You don't need to post photos of your children or family there unless they are helping to brand the business. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp Business, even Instagram are a great way to get your business known across the world. The World Wide Web, it is a web that catches and grabs people and really get people stuck into the center of everything going on inside of it. Your business needs to be inside of it too. Make sure you connect with as many people to spread the word about your new business. If you are not good with social media or branding or marketing, look on the web and find someone who is. Fiverr, Upwork, and even Guru are perfect places to find a freelance person to give you competitive prices for almost anything you need done. Taking payments. If you leave taking payments off the list, then your business will not make a profit. E-commerce is buying and selling goods or services via the internet, must be on your business checklist too. The transfer of money and data to complete the sales are known as electronic commerce. The main three types of e-commerce are B2B, like Shopify, or business to consumer like Amazon, and consumer to consumer like eBay. Taking payments requires a company that facilitates payments through online transfers like PayPal or Google Pay. whom you would need a business bank account set up to transfer your payments received from the buyers into. Before you start your business online or in person, you have to think about how you will receive payments. Communication with customers. I love to communicate with people, and you should too, if you are going to do business. You need ways for people to reach you, like a P.O. box or a local office address, a telephone or cell phone number, voicemail, and email. Your website should be able to handle instant communication needs like text chatting, dialog box. You can even have frequently asked questions with the answers to those questions. You have to love that someone is even interested in your business enough to want to contact you in the first place. So, fall in love with communicating with customers. That means you have customers to communicate with. This is important if you are starting a business you know little about. You really need to find someone who has been doing that same business for a very long time. You can find these people online or purchase their books or even take a class from them. They are considered to be business consultants, business coaches, or just mentors. You can find them with industry, usually speaking as the business expert that they have become. They can talk to you one-on-one with some sort of fee, of course. You can even find them on YouTube for free. Wherever they are, you need to find them. This will help you from drowning into the pitfalls of most businesses. Because raining days are sure to come and you need to know how to stay as dry as possible. Get it out, get the word out. Grand opening information on Grandma's Good Grub is officially opened and taking business as of, and give your grand opening date. Do a press release, type in Google or YouTube how to send out a press release. You can create a media list of all of the radio, TV and news media outlets in your area and where you will sell your products and request time to be interviewed about your product. Give them reasons why your Grandma's Good Grub has a story behind the product that will connect with their viewers or listeners. Sell your product using public relations outlets. Owning a business will be hard. Working for yourself is like living on your own. When you leave your parents' house to live on your own, it is not easy. However, planning to make that move and completing all of the steps that is needed to make it on your own is important. It is the same way you will make it with a business. Just like living on your own is super. Owning a business is the same. BizBox Basics is here every step of the way to help you attain a business in bite-sized pieces. This is the checklist that you can obtain for yourself, print and complete as needed. Just email us at BizBoxBasics or go to our website and like free templates and download this checklist for yourself. Hit the subscribe button please, and like our video so we can grow our channel for new business owners of tomorrow, and share this video with a new business owner. Yes, we will catch you on our next video, and we love being your business partner. Goodbye.